how are we doing today?
I feel horrible.
Okay, we're gonna have to give you antibodies. Madeline, how do you feel?
I feel great!
Do you have any questions?
Well, where did the antibodies come from?
They come from Lampire.
The team at Lampire is here for you every step of the way, from the moment you reach out to them to when your order is all set and even after that.
Lampire provides antibodies for tests to find out why you feel horrible. Lampire has over 20 species and over 5,000 animals on site. The experienced technicians have been well trained to gather and give the animals antibodies.
Our llama single B cell program, which is basically just a method to develop antibodies for diagnostic and therapeutic applications. It is a type of white blood cell that is infection fighting.
We do diabetes test kits, we do antibody production for DNA markers and specific types of brain tumors, cancer cells.
Treatments and necropsies. We will pull a whole blood, which is a non-injected animal, or a anticoagulated blood draw to use for whatever the client wants it to be used for.
I'm going to suck your blood. This machine spins really fast to separate the platelets and the blood clots from the serum. Ta-da!
Generally, this is how purification works. So there is a resin that captures what you're aiming to capture. So these are actually client-based materials, and we have bound the proteins that they're looking for into these. And then from there, we basically have to make sure this column doesn't stay at that negative, like pH, that acidic pH, because it'll hurt it. We bring it back up with the same buffer that we wash and load the material with, and it's ready to go again. So it's just one big loop, and then you just do it over and over again.
Said this company never kind of sits still.
We are a one-stop shop. We say one-stop shop, but that's for the client, not for us. We don't stop. We always find what we can do next.
Lampire animal whole blood is shipped, QC tested, and can be ordered, bled, and shipped the same day.
Striving to get it right the first time. Every time.
That's what's so cool about manufacturing.